guys, David Rishka here. I'm recording this video in Arizona, and I decided I'm gonna record this for those of you who are still kind of stuck in a dead-end job, or you are looking to create a financial freedom for yourself and provide more for your family. So I am not a life guru or anything like that. I'm just a guy who is running his online business, creating financial and geographic freedom, so I can do whatever I want, whenever I want, without having a boss or a job. And my mission is to help as many people as possible to achieve the same thing. So if you are kind of lost and you don't know how to go about to create your own business or freedom for yourself, I want to lay out a couple steps for you, give you some value. Hopefully you can use it and take action on it. So number one thing is you have to decide what you want from life. Write it down on a piece of paper, your goals, and write it down in details. Where do you want to be in 6 months or 1 year? How much money do you want to be making? Where do you want to live? What kind of car do you want to have? What kind of house do you want to have? Or if you have kids, what do you want to do for your kids? So this is the first step. It's very important to know what you want, because somebody once said a man without a goal is like a ship without a rudder on the ocean. You're just bouncing around and you're not getting anywhere. So this is very important. Write down all your goals and where you want to go. Number two, I highly recommend getting this book. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and use and follow the principles inside this book. I highly recommend to do visualization, meditating, and auto-suggestions, as he talks about in the book, and you will see how powerful you really are. You will understand by reading this book how powerful species we are, human beings. We have this incredible gift called the mind, but most people don't even know how to use it. Most people are running negative, self-limiting thoughts in their heads, and even worse, they complain about their situation. They blame the government, the president, the neighbors, parents, society, and everything else, instead of working on themselves. So highly recommend reading this book, and once you start using these principles, keep your eyes open on the opportunities that will present to you, and that usually happens within 30 to 60 days. Sorry, I'm walking in the desert over here, kind of watching my steps. And keep your eyes open on the opportunities that will present to you, and take action. This video might be a opportunity for you to take a step forward. I have to be honest, I tried all kinds of different businesses, online or offline, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, multi-level and stuff like that, and most of them, they just felt they were too hard to do. They didn't have really good support system or coaching. But I just found this new company not too long ago, and they have an unbelievable coaching program where you're gonna have your own personal coach who will guide you from day one, every step of the way. They will explain everything, what to do, what not to do, and so you don't waste your time and money on something that don't work. You know, it makes a big difference when you have somebody who is teaching you everything, somebody who is experienced and working in the trenches already, and somebody who knows what's working and what's not. And that's what did it for me, actually. after struggling for a few years, I finally started having some progress and success, and actually I'm gonna go this way, and started seeing some results, and that's why I'm here and trying to you know, help other people. So I'm gonna leave a link or button below this video, and I want to invite you to check it out, speak with one of our coaches, see what this is about. And if you have a burning desire like I did, if you really want to make a difference in your life and create better future for yourself and your family, you will succeed, because you will keep taking steps forward if you are sick and tired of your current situation. So go ahead and click on the link or the button below this video, and I hope to see you on the other side, my friend. Later.